Good morning, class. How are you today? Before we start our lesson, please stand and let's have our prayer. Angel of God, my guardian dear, to whom God's love commit me here, every this day be at my side to light and guard, to rule and guide. Amen. Before we start our lesson, please check your surrounding and pick up any trash. It's everyone is ready now? Okay. For the checking of attendance, I will call your name and say present. Abiliera, De La Cruz. Wow, your perfect attendance today. Before we start our new topic, who among you recall about what is our last topic yesterday? Very good. Our previous topic is all about simple patterns. Now let's recall your knowledge about our topic yesterday. I have been a PowerPoint presentation that has 3 patterns. That first who will answer have received prize. Number 1, blue, red, blue. Very good. Number 2, 2, 4, 6, 8. Good job. And the last one, square, triangle, square. Amazing. Now that you can recall our previous lesson, now we can proceed to our next topic.
Okay, class. Now let's read our objectives together on the screen. At the end of the lesson, the learner should be able to number 1, number 2, and number 3. Okay, thank you everyone. Now, let's remain standing because I will play a song and after that, we will sing it together. Now, let's sing it together. When we add amounts or number, we call this process addition. The numbers we put together are called addends in addition. The total or result is called sum in addition. We use the plus signs when we add amounts or numbers. We call this process addition. Okay, another one. When we add amounts or numbers, we call this process addition. The numbers we put together are called addends in addition. The total or result is called sum in addition. We use the plus sign when we add amounts or numbers. We call this process addition. Okay, very good. Thank you everyone.
Based on what we sang, what do you think is our topic for today? Very good! Today, we will learn how addition sentence work and how we can change the order of numbers without changing the sum. Now, let me present my slide presentation for you to understand more what is number sentence is. Here, do you know what is this called? This is called a number sentence because it uses numbers, symbols, and equal signs. I have here an example. Do you know where are the addends? Very good. Kindly read the definition of addends. Addends is the numbers that are added together in an equation, and the sum is the result after adding the addends. The plus sign is what we call symbol. So here, is this what we called a number sentence? No, because there is a missing part. How about this one? Is this a number sentence? Yes, this is a number sentence. Now that you know what is number sentence is, let's proceed to some part of number sentence. Okay, so what did you notice to this? Yes? Yes, they are both additions. Any other hands? Yes, they are number sentence because they have addends and sum. Any more? Oh, the number is reversed but they have the same answer. All of you is correct. The number is reversed but they have the same answer. This is what we call a commutative property of addition. Everyone read the definition of commutative property. Commutative property of addition is changing the order of the addends but they have the same sum or the same answer. The formula of commutative property is A plus B plus A. For example, if A is 33 and B is 30, what is the correct format if we apply the formula? Yes? Good job! Another example, if A is 12 and B is 9, who wants to answer? Yes? Very good. So this is where we can apply the formula of commutative property. I will present another slide. So here, 95 plus 78 is equals to 78 plus... What is the answer on the blank? Raise your hands. Very good. The answer is 95. So, always remember that it is not considered a number sentence if there is a missing number or symbols. So, if we add these two, they have the same answer, even though they have not in the same format. So, another example. What did you see on the screen? Yes, that's right. The number have the same answer even though they are not in the same format. Now that you know the commutative property, let's have a recitation. So let's start. The first one is 97 plus 64 is equals to 64 plus, what's the answer? Yes, it's 97. So another one. 38 plus 75 is equals blank plus 30 is, yes, 75. Good job. Okay, another one. Blank plus 32 is equals to 32 plus 12. What is the answer? Very good. So, last two. 25 plus 47 is equals to, yes, it's 47 plus 25. Excellent. So, another one. 18 plus blank is equals to 12 plus 18. So, what is the answer? Yes, it's 12. Very good.
Now, let's proceed to equivalent number signs. So, based on this equation, what did you notice? Right, they have the same sum, but the numbers involved are different. This is what we call equivalent number facts, and also similar to commutative property. So, another example, 35 plus 12 equals to 20 plus 27. So, if we add that 35 plus 12 is equals to 47, correct? And how about 20 plus 27? Correct. That is also 47. So, that is equivalent number facts works. Okay, so can you read the definition of equivalent number facts? Okay, so I have here another problem. Read, everyone. So, how many stamps does Sarah have now? Let's add how many stamps she have now. 15 plus 5 is equals to 20, correct? So, Sarah have 20 stamps now. Who among you can find another way to write an addition equation using equivalent number facts? Yes? Correct. 10 plus 10 is equals to 20. This shows that equivalent number facts does not change the sum.
Now, you have already got our lesson. So, we will have an activity. So, please prepare your phones or tablets. So, we will now play a Kahoot game that called Addition Adventure. So go to our group chat and click the links that I said and make sure you enter your name first. So read each questions carefully and choose the correct answer. Remember, the faster and more correct your answer is the higher your score. So are you ready? So let's begin. Are you done, class? Very good. So, I can see that most of you understand the lesson. So now, keep your smartphones or tablets inside your bags. So, how's the activity? Is it fun? Very good. Now that you understand the commutative property and equivalent number facts, let's discover how can we use them in everyday life. So anyone who wants to share their answer on how we can use commutative property and equivalent number facts in everyday life? Very good, that's right. We can use them in buying items in store by adding the price of each items. Yes, that's right. By counting the total number of snacks. So, very good. We can use this also by measuring ingredients when cooking. So, your answers are correct. So, you have shown that we use number sentences in every day. So, when we buy or when we cook or count or share, by discussing and sharing your own examples, you prove that math is not only in school, but also in our homes and community.
And now, please bring out your notebook so we can check your understanding about our topic. Please read and answer each question carefully. Encircle the letter of the correct answer. Now for your assignment, read and answer each question. Write your answer before the number that it consists part 1 and part 2.